Hello, I'm Bjarni. Welcome to the workshop here at Grundfos headquarters in Denmark. Today we're looking at the SolarLift 2, a great range of small macerators and lifting stations for managing wastewater in the home. So the first thing to note is that we only need 5 models of the SolarLift 2 range. It's a straightforward range that covers all your needs, and it also means fewer parts to stock, which will save you money, space and time. It's simple to choose the right model. Here are our 3 macerators for black water. They are for toilets, either standard or wall hung. This one has the inlet for 1 sink or a urinal, and these 2 can attach up to 3 more bathrooms appliances, including a shower. And these are our lifting stations for grey water. This one can be used in kitchen and or utility room. We've got 3 inlets where you can also attach hot water appliances like, for instance, dishwasher, washing machines, kitchen sinks and bath. And our bathroom model with 2 inlets here can be used for a sink, bidet or shower.